Hi, boys and girls. Today I want you to go into Seesaw. If you remember, it's saved on your favorites bar and it has a little green bow tie. You can see mine right here. It has a little green bow tie and it says Seesaw. If you click on that in your favorites bar, it's going to take you into Seesaw. And what I want you to do when you're there is I want you to go and you're going to see that you can pick and see if you have any activities. And you do have an activity. Today your assignment is you're going to go into labeling the parts of a plant. And it says to listen to my directions and click the and complete the drawing below with labels. So I am looking at what you are going to see. I'm going to just do a sample student so I can see it. And so what you have here is you have your plant and you have 4 different labels. And you can see these are labeled 1, 2, 3, and 4. Of course, these aren't in order. You're going to need to read the words, look at the picture, and move the labels where they need to go. Now, we learned a lot in the last day about the parts of a plant. So this is just kind of the basics of what we learned. What I want you to do is I want you to do that, and then when you're done, you can color it in, and we know how to do that using our different colors here, right? And you can pick, what you want to do. And maybe you want to make, add the colors in like we know how to do, right? So once you're done doing that, then you're going to put your labels in, color it, and then you can submit it as finished. And I'll see your work. But what I want you to do then afterwards is I want you to go and add. And this isn't showing it quite right, but we're going to do post students work. And what I want you to do is I want you to add something that you learned about the parts of the plants other than the names of the parts. So something about maybe what a different part of the plant does, how it works. So maybe you want to tell me what the purpose of the roots of a plant are, or how the stem is important for a plant, or the petals, or the leaves. So to do that, you have a lot of choices, and I'm going to let you pick whichever one you want. So you can either do a drawing, make a video, or write me a note. Okay? So any one of those things you can do to show me how a part of a plant works. And you get to pick whichever part you want to do. If you're doing this with your parents and they have a way of doing it with a picture, you can do that as well. If you and your parents make something and lay it out. But probably the easiest things for you to do would be to either write me something, draw me a picture explaining it, which you can put labels into to help me really understand, or even make me a video to show me. So enjoy doing that. Remember, there's 2 parts. The first part, the assignment is right there. You put the labels in and move them where they need to go. And then you can color in your picture. And then the second part is you get to use your brain to come up with any way that you can think of to teach me what you know about how at least one part of the plant works and helps that plant. Okay, and remember, it's a video, a drawing, or a note. And I don't care which one you choose. Make it and post it for me so I can see all those great brain powers, thinking, learning, and growing. Have fun!